Hello and welcome to yet another video of Cornerstones of Math. Today we will solve the system of equations x plus y equals a and x squared plus y squared equals b, where a and b are constants. So first, let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. Here I will show you two methods to solve this problem. The first method is simple substitution. First, we solve for one variable, say y. From the first equation, y equals a minus x. Now, if we substitute this expression for y in equation 2, we can eliminate y. So we have x squared plus a minus x squared equals b. So we have x squared plus a squared minus 2ax plus x squared equals b. So we have 2x squared minus 2ax plus a squared minus b equals 0. This is a simple quadratic equation that can be easily solved by quadratic formula, which will give x equals a plus minus square root of 2b minus a squared divided by 2. Here we can find y by previously obtained y equals a minus x from the first equation. So y equals a minus x, so a minus this, which is 2a minus a plus minus square root of 2b minus a squared over 2, which gives a minus plus square root of 2b minus a squared over 2. Therefore, we can write our answer as x, y equals a plus minus square root of 2b minus a squared over 2, a minus plus square root of 2b minus a squared over 2. And although many of you may already know the convention for plus minus and minus plus signs together, let me just quickly explain right now. Basically, it means that for double signs like plus minus and minus plus, the signs are applied in the same order. That is, if you chose the plus sign for x, then you must apply minus sign for y, and if you chose minus sign for x, then you must apply plus sign for y. In other words, the roots are plus here and minus here, and minus here and plus here. So that was the first method. Now the second method. The key to this method is using the relation between roots and coefficients of the quadratic equation. Those relations are also known as Vieta's formulas. Or I would simply call it the x plus y and xy method, because we simply use the values of the sum x plus y and the product xy. Here, let us start from the second equation. Equation 2 can be written as x plus y squared minus 2xy equals b. So using equation 1, we have a squared minus 2xy equals b. So xy equals a squared minus b over 2. So we have the sum x plus y equals a and the product xy equals a squared minus b over 2. And when the sum and the product of two unknown variables are given, we can find the values of individual variables using the following property. Pro tip: the quadratic equation t squared minus x plus yt plus xy equals 0 has x and y as its two roots. This is because this equation is equivalent to t minus x times t minus y equals 0. So for our case, x and y are roots of the quadratic equation t squared minus the sum a t plus the product a squared minus b over 2 equals 0. So if we multiply 2, we obtain 2t squared minus 2at plus a squared minus b equals 0. Notice that this is the exact same equation we obtained in the first method. And we have already shown that this equation gives roots t equals a plus minus square root of 2b minus a squared over 2. Therefore, we know that x is a plus square root of 2b minus a squared over 2, and y is a minus square root of 2b minus a squared over 2. And the one with plus and minus switched. So minus here and plus here. Or you can just write in a combined expression using plus minus here and minus plus here. And that was all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you in another video.